Dear students, welcome to English online classes. Dear students, in the previous class we have studied how to write the passive voice of present perfect tense, and in today's class let us write how to write past perfect tense active voice into passive voices. Okay, how to write the past perfect tense sentences into passive voice. Here I said in the previous class, perfect tense, how to recognize in the sentence there will be has, have and had usage will be there, right. So here we have the past perfect tense. Always had refers to the past perfect tense. So dear students, we have had here in the sentence, so we can easily recognize that it is a past perfect tense. Okay, look at the first sentence. The brave men had defended the city. The brave men had defended the city. Dear students, here remember in present perfect tense what did we use in the passive voice as the guest or as the new word? We have used been, right. The same been we are using in past perfect tense too. Okay, perfect tense we are using been. In present in continuous tense what did we use? We had used being, right, and here we are using been in perfect tense. Okay, let me write the answer for this. The brave men had defended the city. First let us divide the sentence into subject, verb and object. So the brave men is the subject, had defended is the verb and the city is the object. So let me write the city. What we have to write next? Had. Since it is past tense we have to write had only. Here there is no difficulty of writing plural or singular, because had is used both as a plural and singular. So the city had been. Now we have to add a been here. Between had and defended we have to add a been. The city had been defended, and here the verb's third form is already present there. So the same thing we are writing in the passive voice too. The city had been defended by the brave men. By the brave men. Next, the little girl had broken the window. The little girl is the subject, had broken is the verb and the window is the object. What is the answer? The window had been broken by the little girl. The little girl. Next question. John had collected an information. John is the subject, had collected is the verb and information is the object. So how to write? An information had been collected by John. Dear students, look at here, everywhere what we have used. Had defended became a had been defended, had broken became had been broken, then had collected become had been collected. Look at the usage, how did we use and where did we place other verbs or the words you just see. The noise had frightened the horse. So the noise is the subject, had frightened is the verb, the horse is the object. So let me write the horse. The horse had been frightened by the noise. The horse had been frightened by the noise. The next example, lightning had struck the house. Lightning had struck the house is the object. The house had been struck by the lightning. Struck by lightning. Next, he had bought a necklace. He is the subject, had bought is the verb, a necklace is the object. How to write the answer? A necklace had been bought. A necklace had been bought by him. The necklace had been bought by him. So, dear student, these are some of the examples for the past perfect tense passive voices. Let us see some more examples and let us make clarify and let us solve all the doubts in other or some of the next examples. Next example is those prisoners had robbed 5 banks. Those prisoners had robbed 5 banks. How to write? You just before watching the video, you just try to solve all these questions and later you can see the video for the answers so that you can clarify your doubts. Okay, those prisoners had robbed 5 banks. Those prisoners is the subject, then had robbed is the verb, 5 banks is the object. So, the answer is 5 banks. 5 banks, though it is plural, we are writing had only, okay. Had been robbed by, those prisoners. 5 banks had been robbed by those prisoners. I had already posted the letter. I is the subject, had already posted, okay. Had already posted is the verb, the letter is the object. The answer is the letter had already been posted by me. Next, 9th question, that is we had lost the key. We had lost the key. So, we is the subject, had lost is the verb, the key is the object. Answer is the key had been lost by me. The key had been lost by me. I had not closed the window. I is the subject, had not closed is the object, the window is the object. So, how to write? The window had not been closed by me. Had not been closed by me. I had not closed the window had not been closed by me. So, these are other remaining examples for past perfect tense passive voices. Dear students, see here, I had already posted the letter. Here the letter had already, so as if in the active voice the same thing we are writing here, but before the main verb we are adding been. So this been and this main verb, that both always must come together. So in between them nobody can or nothing should be placed, been posted or being posted in continuous tense. Okay. So these are the things you have to remember. Okay. In the next let us see some of the passive voices regarding the modals. Okay. Okay. Next, dear students, let us see how to form the passive with the modals. If there are modals, then how to write the passive of those sentences. Let us see. Here I have given some examples. Before that, let us recall in continuous tense what did we use? We have used the extra word, that is being. In perfect tense what did we use? We have used that extra word being. And in modals or in future tense, what are we using? We are using the extra verb, that is be. Okay, what are the extra words we have used? Being, been and be. Okay. And where to use that you must know. Being we are using with the continuous tense, and been to the perfect, and be to the future or to the modals. Okay, there is the sentence, our English teacher may give an exam today. Our English teacher is the subject, may give is the verb, and exam is the object. So an exam may be given. So see, where did I place the word be? Okay, may, between may and give I have added be, and given is written in the third form, past participle form. An exam may be given by our English teacher today. By our English teacher today. English teacher today. Next, Thomas can give them some information about the job. Thomas can give them is the verb. Okay. How to write? They can be given some information, they can be given some information about the job, they can be given some information about the job by whom? Thomas. By Thomas. See here, they, here instead in the place of them I wrote they, can be given. Can give in the place of be is added, can be given. Now some information about the job by Thomas. This object is written later. Okay. Then you must obey the traffic rules. How to write? The traffic rules. The traffic rules must be obeyed. By you is not required because it is to everyone, you in the sense anyone. Okay. So here the traffic rules must be obeyed. We can omit this object, subject of the active and object of the passive. So the traffic rules must be obeyed. You may forget the rules quickly. Here also we can omit this subject. Okay. So you is the subject, may forgot is the verb, the rules is the object, quickly is an adjective. Okay. So how to write? The rules may be forgotten. The rules may be forgotten quickly. quickly. The rules may be forgotten quickly. By you is not required. If you write this much that is enough. Okay. Let us see some more examples for these modals. The next example is, you should study the lessons repeatedly. Here again, no need to write the subject or the object of the passive voice. Okay. So, you should study the lessons repeatedly. So, the subject is you here, should study is the verb, the lessons is the object. Okay. So, how to write? The lessons should be studied repeatedly. The lesson should be studied repeatedly. No need to write the object. Okay. Then Benjamin must win the competition. So Benjamin is the subject, must win is the verb, the competition is the object. So while writing the passive, the competition must be won by Benjamin. The competition must be won by Benjamin. Then they should cancel the game. Here also we can omit the object in the passive voice. So the game should be cancelled. The game should be cancelled. Okay, the game should be cancelled. Next, the doctor can't persuade her. The doctor can't persuade her. She cannot be, or she can't be persuaded, or you can write she cannot be persuaded. She cannot be persuaded by the doctor. Next, ninth sentence. They need to repair my car. They need to repair my car. Again, this they is not required to be written in a passive voice. Okay, so we can write need to repair my car. Repair. Here, need to repair my car. My car needs to be repaired. My car needs to be repaired. Who should pay the damage? By whom? By whom should the damage, by whom should the damage be paid? By whom should the damage be paid? See here, by whom should the damage, here damage came first and it is written later, be paid. Why? Because here pay, this is the main verb, right? So main verb is at the end, so we have to place be along with the main verb, not here. It will be wrong if you write by whom should be the damage paid. It will be wrong. Always this be must place with this main verb. So we are placing after the damage. Should the damage be paid. Okay. So these are the some of the examples for writing the passive with the modals. Okay. So for any doubts, you can watch the video once again and you can make clarify, and if you find the old question paper, try to solve those questions, and if you are in confusion, please contact the teacher personally and you can clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching.